Super sensitive hairs cover the Goliath's 8 legs. They pick up vibrations in the air created by movement from creatures around it. This giant tarantula is a stealth hunter.
So they call like Alaskan freezer. So they call like Alaskan freezer. So they call like Alaskan freezer. So they call like Alaskan freezer.
Super sensitive hairs cover the Goliath's 8 legs. They pick up vibrations in the air created by movement from creatures around it. This giant tarantula is a stealth hunter.
So they call like Alaskan freezer. So they call like Alaskan freezer. So they call like Alaskan freezer. Alaskan freezer.
Super sensitive hairs cover the Goliath's 8 legs. They pick up vibrations in the air created by movement from creatures around it. This giant tarantula is a stealth hunter.
So we call like Alaskan freezer. So we call like Alaskan freezer. So we call like Alaskan freezer. So we call like Alaskan freezer.
Get off me. Get off me.
Get down! Down the Mongo.
What up? All right. Rafta, what's good, baby? What up, what up, what up? It's spring break, so you know what we doing. Studying to get better. It should be a little bit of fun. We'll go 3 hours, then we'll go to the gym. And then we'll come back and we'll do the JavaScript shit. You guys know the routine. We're in prime season. Oh, your computer's fucked? Oh, that's trash. What happened to it?
Hoes on me, left and right. Glum, I put him out like a light. Cool tinted like a thief in the night. Gang gone, he don't put up a fight. Fuck on your bitch, I might. Colors on me, pretty sight. It's like, what you say, gang? They'll fuck on your life. What?
Computer's jacked? Yeah, that's whack.
Call that bitch Rico. I'm with Booth and we scoping through peepholes.
Alright, let's get into it. First hour. Grind on it. Oh, Oh, you broke something while you were cleaning it? That's the worst. That's why I don't want to. That's why I don't want to build my computer, cause I just don't want to fuck something up, and then I don't know what's wrong with it. And my goofy ass thinking, oh, I'll just do this or I'll do that. That shit ain't gonna work. That shit ain't gonna work. Yeah, see, yeah. Hey, I mean, ultimately, I hope you can get it fixed, but yeah, I feel for you. I'm studying JavaScript right now, but I'm also I'm just doing some reading, general reading. I want to learn about backend like backend infrastructure for connecting to the internet. You know, if people submit information to me, if people use my service, and I have to store that data. So understanding about data privacy, security, accessibility management, those are all things that are important, but you don't really learn through coding. You just have to learn them. If that makes sense. What up, Productive Time? So like that's stuff that you have to learn. That's like stuff you have to learn, but I don't really think that's necessarily something you guys would be interested in reading with me. So I read it now, research it now, and then I put the coding aspect into practice on stream. So what you gonna do until you get your computer fixed? How long is it gonna take? Oh my God, 2 weeks? But this MacBook's a turtle. Oh man, I heard MacBooks get a really bad rap. Hey yo, what up, Robotech? Oh, no need to apologize. Got to take care of the young one. Completely understandable. Wow, Robotech choosing violence early in the race. I think you got her beat by a whole lot. Kalea, what's up? It's been gravy, baby. You know how the thing be. I was sitting here doing some reading and studying, and I was just like, oh, I'm getting better. Why don't I peer pressure some people on the internet to also get better with me? I'm just playing. You can do whatever you want. Spring break. I'm just playing. Enjoy yourself. It's all about positive peer pressure. What you up to? What you doing? You getting good? Hey, at least you're trying. Don't be like me. I'm working on JS myself, working with the AWS Lambdas. Yeah, that's the next big thing I'm gonna start tackling. Once we get a firm grip on JavaScript, gotta learn this loud. That's sort of what I'm reading now. Like, how does all of these things connect? Also, like, if you create a system, storage and management of that database, like what queries are best for this, what's pretty reactive, and then like server space. Oh my goodness, that's another thing. And I know a lot of people are okay with giving like other companies the ability to manage that for them, but you should be able to, I think, at least harness your own. And then that's where that other computer comes in handy. If we can build that other computer and then turn this one into like a server or something, oh, we're in the money. We could be in the money, y'all. fuck? Yeah. What's up, Blaze? The majestic one. Go see my boy Blaze. Tell him a stranger sent you. Yeah, I wrote that one in Python. All my every project I've made, all 23 of them were written in Python. It's a basic Selenium code that scrapes it for my chat, and then it's the API connector on Twitch.io API that I use for the backend and collection of like metadata, such as like viewership and information like that. Oh, I was just saying, yeah, all of my projects, all of the projects I have right now are built in Python. I need to get back to that. And no problem, no problem. I think you're doing amazing work. I think more people need to see that shit. Yo, hey, appreciate that. Appreciate that. Blaze, how the hell you gifting subs? You ain't even get one for yourself. I appreciate it. I appreciate it though. That man's a giver through and through. Give you the shirt off his back. Blaze, you're not. Yeah, unless I'm looking at your shit wrong. Hold on, let me see. Oh wait, no, you are subscribed. Your badge just isn't showing. That's why I was kind of crazy. I was like, wait a minute, you're not subbed, but you're giving out subs. I've only known 4 people like that. One of them is anonymous. Anonymous always comes in here and anonymously gift subs the most weird names on Twitch. And then Armin, every now and again, God rest his soul, would just come in here and give random subs to people and wouldn't be subbed himself. No, I so like right now I can see you, I see that your shit got updated. Oh, is that what the blue thing means? No, the blue one means that you're, I think the blue crown means that you are someone, it tells people that you have Prime capability. So that means you basically have Amazon Prime. Yeah. I figured it out not long after falling victim to not understanding it. Nah, I mean, Look. We're arguing semantics here, right? You bless me, I appreciate you. Point blank, period. Period. Paper Patience, welcome. And then he says, oh, okay, I get you. Hey, I appreciate it. I was more so complimenting your generosity. I immediately understand how it could sound like this ungrateful mother lover. Blaze is like, this mother lover. See, this is why you can't. It's the equivalent of opening up a piece of gum. You pull out a piece of gum, and everybody want a piece of gum. You had 5 pieces, 1 for every day of the week. But because you wanted to show off, now you only got nothing. Those were the worst. But I appreciate it, honestly. I kind of always feel weird streaming during the day. But I think like I need to get more comfortable, or at least better prepared. Better prepared at like streaming during the day when I'm not working. The gum but that's the ultimate reference. That was the first time everyone learned as a child. Yo, you can't let everybody know what's in your pockets. Hey, yo, what up, Clip? Don't be so eager to let people touch your pockets. The funny thing about it was I think it was why is this person's name escaping me right now? Whose stream was I in last night? The Coppinger. I was in the Coppinger stream. I was also in your stream, Blaze, yesterday. And I think it was the Coppinger who was like, oh, by the way, congratulations on 7K. And I was like, 7K what? And like, before I hit enter, I said, let me just go to my page real quick. And then I saw it. I was like, you know how pretentious you would have sounded if you were like, oh, it was nothing. Whatever. It's like, look at this jackrabbit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Like last night I wanted to stream, but I will 100% sit in someone's chat and work vicariously through them. Because streaming requires you got to have a certain level of energy for it. Because if, say for example, if Paper Patience came in here, and then their thing popped up on screen, and then I'm looking at their ass, and I'm like, what the fuck? And Paper Patient would have been like, "Oh, hey, how you doing, hero?" And I would have been like, "This motherfucker, what do you want, huh? How can I help you, Paper Patience?" Paper Patience would have been like, "Damn, I just say hi, just check on you." So you gotta regulate yourself before you get on stream. See, yeah. See, but like immediately, Paper Patience feels called out. It's like, I just came. I liked your vibe. I liked the song that was playing. I didn't want anything, but like, so when you stream, you should always make sure you're regulated. You should always make sure, do you have the capacity to take on someone else's energy? Is your cup full? Is your cup empty? What are you feeling? Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys want to join the race, you can join the race. It's the Perfect Lurker channel point. Now that we have the quality of life improvements done, I think we'll be ready to give away one of our T-shirts to one of our viewers, and we've been using the race to dictate who's gonna get the next shirt. If you're interested in free shit, the YouTube thing has been going great. I think the 7K is in large part because Twitch has allowed me to start multi-streaming, and I can now stream on multiple platforms, so that's very powerful. Like right now, I'm streaming on multiple platforms right now. I can stream on TikTok. Well, I can't stream on TikTok. I need people to follow me on TikTok. Everybody go follow me on TikTok right now. Shit, I don't have a dedicated button. Yes, I do. Haha, I do have a dedicated button. No, absolutely. If you want to join the race, it's the channel point, the Perfect Lurker. My son, how are you? What animes are we watching? I saw the Avatar show on Netflix. It wasn't good. I was not impressed. Wherever you watch Jujutsu Kaisen, you can go watch the Avatar show. Please, and I beg you, please do it. Oh yeah, I guess the series is on Netflix, which makes perfect sense. Isn't it geared towards kids? I mean, Avatar: The Last Airbender. I didn't watch it as a child. I watched it as a college kid. I watched it as a college kid. I think the lessons are relevant regardless. I think kids will find it humorous, and I think adults will find it. There are some very like emotional and very jarring scenes in that supposed children's show. You feel me? Hey, yo, what up, Dale? How we living? Oh, thanks for the medal, fool. What is that, fool, baby? Thanks for the medal. Yeah, everybody's working. Spring break is pretty much in effect, so I'm taking advantage of of the of the of the downtime. Doing a lot of the boring reading parts that I probably wouldn't want to do on stream. I think because I'm multi-streaming now, I have to set it like there's different frame rates for different web services, so I have to find the most common denominator, and I think I had to downgrade it to 720 because not all of the platforms let you stream at 1080p. Yeah, One Punch season 3 was announced. I'm interested to see what they're gonna do with this season. Season 2, I was not very impressed with keeping it 100. I recently rewatched Mob Psycho season 2. I think like season 3, season 2 had some really season 2 has some really questionable CGI. It's they just have not perfected the CGI art style. I felt, and so there were times where it was very fluid motion, and then all of a sudden a CGI centipede shows up, and it's like that's the direction you wanted to go, and the centipede wasn't even doing anything. It wasn't like the centipede was in a high octane action sequence. It was just a CG model statically moving. Like you could have paid somebody to draw that instead, in my opinion. Goro was sick, and I'm interested to see his evolution in this one. Gang, gang, gang. My hair is just everywhere. Yeah. Look out, Grimy. Best mod this side of Mississippi. Clap it up. Could you imagine coming to Apple and wanting to work on, instead of working in their code base or their hardware, and be like, I'd rather use a Windows? You think they'd be upset? Oh boy. All right, we done.
Get down.
Bang, 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 bang.
Down the Mongo.
So when we get done. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, ooh.
Almost an inch long, easily slice through flesh, and at the same time, inject a neurotoxic venom. It's a lethal bite. Blending in with leaf litter on the forest floor, it ambushes its unsuspecting prey. It ranges from Venezuela, east to French Guiana, and south into Brazil. Super sensitive hairs cover the Goliath's 8 legs. They pick up
soul.
Guys, get in the race, baby. I see you.
They think I'm hiding in the shadows, but I am the shadows.
I need to go take my break. go. Do I have that set up? That'd be nice if I did, but I totally don't. All right, we'll be back.
you just keep moving, you will come to a better place.
What's up, Mike? You miss me? Yeah. Hey, shit happens every day, Mike. Shit happens every day. What up, barbecue? He said, my man's is gone. The sub only chat is crazy. I had to go take a break, man. I was tired. This man over here using channel points to get it. Oh, Mike, that's actually hilarious. Today's your birthday? Oh man, today's your birthday? That's awesome. You don't have to tell us how old you are. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up.
I'm gonna come.
Oh shit, wrong button. Damn it. Clap it up. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, barbecue. You doing anything special? What you getting into? Oh, 19. Wow. How does it feel to have no pain in your lower back?
My newborn crow,
What's that feeling like?
I'll watch you grow, tell you what I know. My newborn crow.
Get some Apple products? That's what's up. Don't get the Vision Pro. Everyone's returning theirs.
Falling short of spewing in your mouth, I'll treat you good. And when you're old enough, I'll throw you out of the tree.
I was thinking about I gotta send an email real quick. I got a request to look at a job application. So I want to look at that real quick.
Oh, sorry, I woke you up. Since you're awake, eat this steak. Let's get you on solids as fast as we can. Stay ahead of the other man.
Oh, good. Hey, excellent. We love that.
Greatest actor in the world, which you can't be, 'cause the greatest actor is me. You better watch your back, son.
Motherfuckers I always tell people, don't send me no job application if you don't send me the job, what they paying. It's disrespectful. Because when you send me the application, the first thing I'm gonna ask you is how much they paying.
Baby girl just had a night there, didn't she? She's fine now.
Now you looking at me, I'm looking at you. It's not a good look. I'm currently between buying a Mac, iMac M2 Mac, and some new AirPods. Both great gifts. Great gifts. FLTMO, what's good? Yeah, I need. That's the next thing I need to buy is a laptop. But I just don't have the testicular fortitude to purchase a Mac. Yo. What? I'm the new. Thanks for the subscription. Oh my goodness. You guys are spoiling me on a Monday. What did I do to deserve this? Mike, did you see the Discord conversation in the general? They were trying to bribe me to go live, but I couldn't go live, man. I'm the new is warning you. He's warning you. Don't buy the Mac. I know what I said. Let's be clear. I said I'm gonna try. I said that was the goal. That was the plan. Life has a way of throwing you curveballs. And as you know, you didn't sit there waiting, Mike. Stop lying. You're trying to make me feel bad. You're trying to make me feel bad. It's not gonna work. I have to make an etch and sketch drawing. I mean, some people just like Macs. I get it, but I don't think I would get a Mac. But I've also never owned a MacBook. I only own 3 Apple products: 5th generation iPod, my iPhone, and my Apple Watch. In the bathroom charging right now. Oh yeah, the iPod was a gift from my pappy. And then I had it updated and upgraded, refurbished to hold 1 terabyte. Me personally, I just want a laptop. I just want a laptop so I can travel and work. Or I can be one of those cool kids who travel and code. Where's my phone job? Somewhere over here. 2-hour meetings. My goodness. All the things I program in, I've seen that Apple products are very averse to. Well, no one wants to buy. No one who buys an Apple product. I feel like Apple products are very much so for aesthetics. If you're buying a system or a computer as a programmer or someone who wants to do real work, if you want to do work outside of writing emails to people, you're not going to get a Mac. I think you're going to get something that can really handle it, some power. Probably like a fucking 18-inch screen laptop, 17-inch screen laptop. Like, I want my laptop to feel heavy. I want more than 2 USB ports. And I don't want their stupid Apple-only charging port. So I have to have 3 different chargers in my bag. But once again, oh yeah, and also I guess we're protesting. Yeah, we're protesting Apple because of what they're doing in the Congos. Now, how did Job find that post so fast? That flag. But once again, hey, you know what? It's your birthday, man. Buy what you want to buy, my brother. Barbecue, fuck us. We don't know shit. Buy what you want to buy. You said the EU's giving some lesson to Apple. Oh, what? The EU punished them for it? That's interesting. I didn't know that. You got an article for that? $1.9 billion fine? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I didn't know the... See, you know what? It's not much, but $2 billion is a lot. And where's that money going? Is it gonna go to the Congolese, the Congo people, the people of Congo? Yeah, the European Union will be punishing them for this. That's interesting. I did not know that. What language is this? I don't understand. What language is this? I don't know what language this is, so I can't read it, but I get the gist. It's German? Oh, okay.
I'm just focused on music. They say my last tape was a classic, but I got some hotter shit. I be rocking the show, if I'm not up in the studio, I'm fucking his cash out. Don't you know, follow up, skinny tall with the dreads, little nigga be rapping his ass
Hey, yo, thanks for the follow. Appreciate the follow. I appreciate that tidbit though. I didn't know about the consequences. What if under over the U.S. doing some shit? It'd be nice. Yeah, it's the world. The world is making it hard, but I don't know. I don't think the U.S. is the U.S. The U.S. I don't think the U.S. can sanction. I don't know if the U.S. can sanction Apple. Sanctions aren't really made for companies; they're made for countries. But seeing as how Apple has the GDP of a mid-sized country, Apple's GDP is higher than all of France. Why not? And like the laws, they can't really control what Apple does in other countries unless Congress is willing to make a law that says you can't use exploitive tactics. Yeah, the way we solve this is if we, in America, we make it illegal for our companies to do bad things in other countries. But then all the companies leave America.
Yeah, man. I mean, it just needs to be a big, heavy remix of Machete, basically.
This thing right here. Letting all the ladies know. Baby, check it out. Dress so scandalous, and you know another nigga couldn't handle it. So you're shaking that thing like who's the ish with a look in your eyes so devilish. You like to dance on the hip hop spots, and you close to the cruise, connect the dots. Not just urban, she like the pop.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like I hated that the chocolate and coffee also exploits children. Yeah, the one thing I've noticed that if you take a cursory look deeper into any industry, if you're getting it at what you think is a decent price, just know someone is dying because of it. So it's really a question of what are you willing to, like, God forbid you look up how water is becoming a national stock index. I can buy water. I can own water in a different country using stocks now. Right? So it's everywhere. Fizzy. Hey, yo, what up, Fizzy? Oh, shit, I just tangled my hands, but I'll clap it up for my boy.
Dynamite! 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 Dynamite!
The whole point of capitalism is there is a winner and loser, and the winner needs to beat the loser. Yeah, that's why young people have kind of given up on capitalism. But capitalism has America in a chokehold, so got to figure out what you want to do. right, I'm done with all the emails I had to at least answer, I think. So we can take a quick look at the Now, the reason why this country is still standing is because of war. It's because of our nuclear It's because of our nuclear capabilities. What? Oh, Fizzy, you're live? Hey, y'all go follow Fizzy. I'm about to start the last session. Go see my boy Fizzy. I know Nan is live too. Let's take a look at some JavaScript, shall we? No. Hey, and you're absolutely right. There's a bunch of countries doing final analysis, but Mike specifically is saying, like, what keeps us in charge? What keeps this way of life in charge? And dare I say, our nuclear capability gives them their quality of life, which also is tragic to say, but that's why it's important not to feed into this shit too much. Don't let the world's issues consume you. You know, there's only so much one person can do to kind of offset the damage and the trajectory of one person. So it really comes down to, like, what are you capable, you as a person, not necessarily what are you capable of doing, but what are you interested in doing to try and make the situation currently being experienced better. You don't have to solve all the world's problems. You just have to make your situation. You just have to make sure you're not adding to them. Yeah, I think it's just afterward, because it's not the people are more. It's all about what people are more. It's all about what people are more resilient to. I think in today's day and age, Mike, absolutely, people see financial superiority as a point on. But how did we acquire that? It was through bloodshed, no doubt about it. If we were out here buying favors, we wouldn't have our history books so drenched in blood. Yeah, a lot of people provide lip service to fucking Taylor Swift provides lip service to environmental issues. You know how many goddamn paper straws I have to go through to offset her jet travel just during the Super Bowl? That's why we don't pay attention to lip service. We got to pay attention to actions. I'm struggling. What you struggling on? All right, let's get into it, shall we? Alright, so we built this last time. We finished this all up. And then we did the cool thing. I think when we hover over this, this spins now. So that's fun. You see this, Mike? Look at me. Look at me. I got it to spin. So I just made this look a little bit more fancier, a little pizzazz. A little pizzazz. But now we want to start the final project, where I think they're gonna make us make an etch and sketch, which would be fucking phenomenal if they did.
Jello Beats, holla at me.
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful
Can you
day.
this?
The sun in the sky has a smile on his face.
I have no idea what that is.
To the American
Hey, appreciate it. But I did that with transformations, yes. And then I also tried to do something, because I did the animation one. That you showed me. And they'd use keyframes. But there was a part of me that was like, this is all vanilla JavaScript. I love how, you want to know, I love how like the basic form of JavaScript now looks like a framework, because there's so many frameworks that the basic vanilla looks like a framework. This is the original, the OG, Mr. I can put anything on top of me. I don't know what that means. Can you use this website into oh, you're asking me to use the website. But yeah, I'm using the most basic generic version of this shit. So oh boy, it's swell to say. Boy, it's swell to say. It's swell to say. Alright, so we made the landing site. This was pretty cool, not gonna lie. Next. I don't think I'm gonna submit mine to the you know, we did do that JavaScript one with the original one. I'd say we go back over it with the Odin project. It wouldn't hurt. We could speed blitz anything that's annoying. Oh boy, it's swell to say. Did I say thanks to Stephen Chad for following me 14 minutes ago? Stephen, if you're still here, forgive my transgressions. We appreciate you. The previous section, you learned about structure, web page, HTML, styles, and CSS. In the next steps, we're going to make web page interactive, which is exactly what JavaScript is for. Yeah, I think we should take this piece by piece. In In this lesson, how to declare your variables. Yeah, there's some of this stuff we know. Some of this stuff we probably need a better refresher, because I don't know what project we were using before, but that shit was dog water compared to the Odin project. We didn't nearly have as much fun as we're having now. The very interactions between the web page. How to do declared variables. What are 3 different ways to declare a variable? Which one should you use and when? What are the rules for naming variables? What operators, operands, and operations? What is a concatenate, and what happens when you are adding numbers and strings together? Damn, we're doing a lot in this chapter. Alright, fuck around and let's find out. No need for you to tell me all this shit. Let's just get into it. How to run JavaScript. All JavaScripts will be writing in majority of the foundation course will be run via browser. Later lessons in foundations and the Node.js path will show you how. We'll show you how to run JavaScript outside of the browser environment. Outside of these lessons, for now, you should always default to running your JavaScript in the browser unless otherwise specified. Otherwise, you may run into unexpected errors. Looks like we're bringing out the big dogs. Running everything in JS. Wait, I thought you only run your HTML and CSS in browser. They're saying you can even run your JavaScript in browser? Luckily for me, I think I have the beta version of HTML. Yeah, we got this super clean version. Alright, we'll be using this browser then. But I am going to keep my HTML one open in the back just in case I need some shit. It's called V8. Does it have a Hemi too? You get it? Because the V8 Hemi, you guys get it. You guys get it, right? Right? The simplest way to start creating an HTML file is just the code inside of it. Type the basic HTML skeleton console. Okay, so how do I get what so I see elements here. So this is the HTML. So can I just do this one? What happens if I clear this one out? Will this actually go away? That's not how that works. So how do I clear this out? Right click. Oh. Alright, I'm I'm a little confused here. Alright, let's get big for Mario. So I can't just delete everything and start from scratch. Excuse me. Oh, okay, I can click into it. Okay. So what happens if I copy and paste some shit into there? Alright, so this is from head to head, right? So what if I just paste this into here? What happens? And I'm assuming if I do the same for the body. I still feel like there should be a way where you can just clear it all out. And then I'm assuming this is, there's two bodies in this thing. No. Okay, so that was wrong. This is the body. What's new? We can get rid of this. Alright. Alright, and now here we want to edit. Who sneezed? Did I sneeze? I guess this is pretty small. For you all. Mike, you was bragging about this shit. I am not impressed. No, I'm just playing. But I can't see anything. Yeah. I know. Can we? There's got to be a shortcut so I don't have to keep writing this. Let's go. Key. Oh, that's nice. It shows back up. This is a test. Alright, cool.
Shoulder.
look at my console and hit escape.
This it ain't over till it's over. I used to run the city in a GT coupe. Okay.
What will you do?
Oh, I gotta get rid of that whole entire thing.
The sisters of fate could not hold me. And you
Okay, good. Double click and we'll get rid of it. Alright. And now go to my console. Oh wait, I remember anything in script is treated as valid JS. So you have to conform to those JS rules. Okay. Should script go outside of the body? So, okay, let's talk real quick about semantics real quick if we could. When you're right, if you choose, so I guess then it's recommended to, should you be writing JavaScript code inline? Or do you just use the script tag and then make reference to it, like call it out? And it seems very dangerous to write in this browser because if you hit refresh, you lose everything. And just link it. I think that's how I'm gonna want to do it too. In HTML, everything in script tags is treated as foreign based on the type. The script's keyword is keyword that close to the foreign type. It's kind of surreal to kind of have to type in this thing because I've become so comfortable typing it in house. Oh. Is this? Oh, the console. Okay, the console isn't working the way I thought it was gonna work. I thought the console was gonna work differently. It's a trap. Never mind. Hey, what's up, Minnie? Clap it up. This is more so for quick testing. Alright, quick testing it is. That'll execute your JavaScript for you. Okay. Alright, we can live with that. Okay, so if you edit the whole HTML, then you gain access to everything, which is cooler. All right. Alright. Okay. We're having a little bit of fun now. This is a lot more convenient. So we'll just keep poking buttons until shit works. So in the console, now I can say oh wait. So wait, hold on. Hello world. Oh, that repel shit. Yeah, okay. Now I guess we get to make sense of that real quick because that was something that I saw a lot of and I was like, fuck y'all talking about with this repel shit. No, entertain me. Man, shut up. Get out the way. Please type allow pasting below and hit enter. You guys are annoying. Okay, I fucked up. I don't know what they want from me. No. Please. Oh. Clap it. We're now the best. Day one of JavaScript. We're the best. Who's gonna stop us? Who's gonna stop us? Elements in your runtime console log returns void or none. Okay, remember the console only in the new. You better make sure you read the instructions. Rule number 1, don't fuck with the code. People get banned every day. For Node and not your browser. Okay. In that, if that was the case, Minnie, we would have never finished the project me and you worked on. But the rappel is an open box. Anything with cookies can get my shit rocked, huh? So how the hell am I supposed to protect myself? Isn't there like something in here that I could turn on to protect this? So it's just you have to be aware of it. There's no real way to protect yourself. Okay, so I'm using this beta version. That's why I chose to use this beta version. Like nothing's logged into this. Is that recommended at least? Like there's nothing attached to this. Yeah, I'm not signed into anything. It's just a guest profile. Okay. Alright, so we'll only use beta for anything close to this. No cookies, no problems. For example, if you get your cookies for the specific session, I can spoof myself as you from your IP, use your cookie session, and log in as if I were you. Oh. Man, I feel like... Oh, I guess that's how all those phishing emails work. Like, then they'll spoof a website and send you the link. You think it's everything there, then you just type in your information. And you could set up a JavaScript or something in the back end to say once whatever they type into this field, save it somewhere else. Wow, that's fucked up. And it's so easy. Huh. Yeah, clearly I need to do some more reading on that shit. All right. Well, so for the most part, we're good here. We're golden rule. We'll stick to this. God damn. Console logs and shit like that. This is Zero. What's up? Nah. I don't know. Don't call me asking me no questions about shit. Did you see me? I didn't know it. Then I wouldn't know. Hey, good luck. I appreciate it. Peace. Yeah. Yeah, I know I wasn't muted. I knew it would be a quick conversation. Anytime you click keep me logged in, they're just creating cookie. Authentication anytime you visit. You can always copy browser with Puppeteer or okay. All right. Well, I'll tread lightly, but yeah, for the most part, we'll only work within these constraints. Any other rules I need to know about? Many said window location. That's a good one. Try and not. Aren't those? Why wouldn't I be able to use not? That's a normal operator. I thought operator term. Variables. You can think of variable storage containers for data in your code. Until recently, there was only one way to create variable JavaScripts in the var statement, but newest JavaScript version, we now have two more ways: let and const. Okay, yeah, I know about let and constant. Constants are everywhere. They're like global variables, and lets can be interchangeable, and they can also hold values. Don't let it bother you. There's nothing inherently wrong with var, and most classes var and let behave the same way. Okay, cool. Hey, what, tired? But try is a keyword. All right, but you haven't told me why typing those keywords is bad. What brings trouble? Okay, Minnie, get your name in the race. That's stupid. All right, numbers. Numbers are building blocks of programming logic. So how to think of any useful program task that doesn't involve at least a little basic math. So knowing how numbers work, obviously, quite important. Luckily, it's also fairly straightforward. Cool. Oh, I kind of figured that, but I figured that that wasn't the context. I Am the New was talking about it. I Am the New was sort of talking in the context of you shouldn't use these these words. Hey, yo, what a king sacrifice. See hashtag, clap it. Adding numbers together, just add. Okay, so I don't need anything for this, right? Well, not script. I need a. Do I need something? Oh, cool. So console log can also do your math for you in the base. Nice. I don't know. I'm splitting my screen so I can have access to my notes and what's it called? But I'll figure out a better way for you guys to visualize this shit. Like we don't need Yeah, I think it's just because it's so goddamn bright. Like, is there no way for me to change the way this looks? That shit bright as hell. I'm gonna end up flashbanging somebody. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fuck. It only works on the website. Oh, what the fuck? That's interesting. Refresh or restart. There it is. On the right there. Oh, it was on something I said. Clicked. Theme. Oh, okay. There it is. Yeah, clap it up. Looks kind of brown. Well done, team. Well done, team. All right, so let's get a little bit more complicated. Let's use a variable. All right, let's have some more fun. I just remember all of this shit being typed in the console, and that's what I was really enjoying about. Let A equal to 10. I didn't want that console.
My powers have doubled since the last time.
Yo, this shit is annoying.
Good. Twice the pride, double the fall.
It's like the IntelliSense I'm expecting isn't working. Okay. Could I have done that another way? What if I just established that was 10? Alright, and then I said, without any recollection of the past one, and just said console log. Would it still give me? It would give me 10. So the console log also remembers previous information. And does it remember the most modern one? Count from 0 views, dog. Hey, yo, what up, Cortez? I think, you know, I don't. I appreciate that, but I don't know if I would be a great pick, you know? I think the thing that you're trying to do is you're trying to build a community, right? So the only way to build a community is to just show up every day. I stream on multiple platforms. Kick is not my main form of streaming. On Kick, I have 45 followers. There's 3 people watching me on Kick right now. But I stream primarily on Twitch. Twitch, I have over 7,000 followers, and I'm always good for a good 10 to 20 people in my chat. But I think it's more important to just show up. You show up, and people will come find you. It's like Vegas. You build it, and they'll come. I think it's also important for you to have quality. And you know what? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that music was loud. But you know what? Now that you mention it, that specific song was super loud. Sorry, let me know if the volume is better. That song was, in particular, was loud. But yeah, what I was basically saying. Yeah, basically what I was saying is, a lot of it is just showing up, bro. And you got to be able to get your multiple streams of platforms. So like, if you're really adamant about streaming on Kick and you want to grow your audience on Kick, you gotta stream on Kick. You gotta show up. You gotta follow the algorithms. You gotta know what to do and what not to do. I'm more into multi-streaming, and my ability to multi-stream gives me ability to pull people here. Like I can like tell you, hey, you're on Kick right now. Why don't you come over to Twitter, or Twitch, or Facebook? I stream on all 5 platforms. I think it's just important for you to be, to show up. And show up, and don't just show up because today's Monday. Show up because today's the first Monday that you get to be better again. Like, you got to be kind of put into it. You got to be sold on it, you know? But at the same time, also don't be discouraged, right? This time last year, I only had 1,000 people following me on Twitch. And not even a year later, I'm at 7,000. So if you show up, people will come. Be interesting, be engaging, get to know your community. Make sure your community is whatever you're building. Make sure it's something you're building that will also make people feel comfortable to come there, right? I'm not saying you got to create this ultra safe space, but set rules and boundaries and motherfuckers. And make sure you enforce them, so that, because like I tell people all the time, half the shit people say to me doesn't bother me, but I don't want other people who are coming here to think that this is okay or that this will happen to them. So usually my general rule is, if I wouldn't let someone do it to my family member, I probably won't let them do it to y'all. If that makes sense. Hopefully that helps. It's kind of hard to... You said, talk to me like I paid you for your advice, bro. You never know how tomorrow, you never know what tomorrow brings for you. Like past times, best times to post, the setup, the chat, the docs, from the literal 0 to 10 followers. God bless you. But okay, whatever works for me isn't probably going to work for you. I don't really, I know the best times, but everything you're asking me, like, those are things you can find out. If you have a Kick account, you should have a YouTube account, you should have a Twitch account, you should have all your accounts. And when you start your account, when you post something, the analytics will tell you when people are most likely to click on your stuff, right? Most people click on my stuff from 12, and then a bunch of degenerates click on my shit again at 9 p.m. So that's when I stream. But I'm also a Twitch, I'm a programmer with a niche group of people who are only particularly interested in usually studying or work streams. So like, what works for me might not work for you, bro. There's a certain amount of music you should be playing. I don't follow those rules. I tend to listen to whatever I want to listen to. There's a special type of camera you should have. There's a special frame. None of that shit means anything to me, because those aren't the things that are gonna get you followers. The thing that's gonna get you followers is an engaged niche group of information, right? And anyone that says that, this is how you should do it, they're lying to you. They're trying to sell you something. If I followed everything that I ever heard about how to grow my audience, I guarantee you I would still be on the Identity Booth, my first podcast, where I have over 2,000 videos and I only have 900 followers on that channel. My setup is simple. It's the Streamlabs OBS. I mean, but I can't. Once again, I can't tell you how to set things up if I don't know what you're working with. I have an AstraZeneca 220 mic. Same thing with the headset. My keyboard came with my laptop. I mean, my computer. All my specs are in my. If you want like my specs, come to my Twitch channel. Right? Come to Twitch. Scroll to the bottom in my about section. It'll give you my specs. You're like you gotta ask a like more of a specific question. Like, are you going to try jQuery or Lodash? By the way, I don't know what those are, and what do they do? What are those things, and what do they do? Oh yeah, the thing I wanted to test was if I set up a new A equals 12, will it also give me console? Will it update? It will update. Okay, cool. So I like it. The console log has memory. We fucks with that. Can somebody I multi-stream and I always forget this. I never put my Twitch key in there. I need my Twitch key. My Twitch HTML, sorry. Yeah, if you want to know more about like my setup and everything, I think you should just stick around and find out and watch. Like I don't know if yeah. jQuery is a library for everything, and Lodash is a library for older versions of JS. You said a library for everything. Library like what? Like how? Alright, are we going to the gym? What are we doing at the gym today? What are we working out? Alright, it's all coming back to me. The JavaScript stuff that we learned. Let b times 7. Oh shit, damn it. B A. Alright, console. Console log. Yay. You remember me? Ah, shit. Okay. Alright, cool. What is jQuery that's not? I know. That's what I'm asking you, my brother. My brother in code. Help me. And I guess another thing that I would Hector, I've never seen it, nor does it sound like anything I would be interested in. you need to work on your focus, Hector. You know what that's what I've ascertained from this conversation. My brother in code or my brother in entertainment or content creation, you gotta focus. You can't be easily distracted. You just asked me 6 questions about content creation, and now you're asking me my view about some dude who did something bad at a party. You're gonna go far. I believe in you, honestly. But you need focus. Maybe you should go to the gym. What's your mile like? How much you bench pressing? Today I'm running a mile today. I'm trying to get that mile 9 minutes and 8 seconds. And then I'm gonna try and squat. Maybe front squat. Feeling 315. My back feels good. Also, your caps lock is on. Your caps lock is on. Is 90 plus is browser for you to support? Damn. Take a few minutes to keep playing around with the various numbers and things like that. Alright, we're good on this. I probably need to do a quick refresher on this as well. Explain the difference between the equal and the equal. I think one is comparing, then one is like supposed to be exact. And what did your doctor say about that? What else? What operator proceeds and handles the JS? I think we should look at this too. How to process developer tools. Access developer tools. We're doing that now. How does the module and the remainder operator work? Yeah, we were doing some of that earlier. Oh, I can hear the wind blowing. Yeah, let's go to the gym. What y'all got going on? We'll be back later on. We'll be back in like 3 hours. I'm gonna eat dinner, work out. Fizzy, you better be sitting at your desk if I come look at your stream right now. tried to raid somebody yesterday and they weren't sitting at their desk. The madness. Looks like Fizzy's got a interesting group of people in there. Let's keep them entertained. Giannis, what's good? The Wanderer. The double equals a string are string equals. The triple ones are types. Oh, okay. Oh, I kind of remember that. Can't explain what you mean by string equal. Can you explain what you mean by string equals? We'll review it later on tonight. We'll come back tonight and then we'll look at it. Looks like I came in too late. Yeah, but make sure you follow. So when I go live later on tonight, we can catch up and, we can do a formal introduction. You feel me? Yeah, JavaScript's cool like that it understands, like, if you're trying to compare strings to values, you use the double, and if you're trying to compare types to types, that shit goes hard. Mike, I give you my word. If I don't come back tonight, if I don't show back up tonight on stream, I guarantee I will give away one additional free shirt. You want some merch? If I don't show up tonight, join the Discord and call me out. But Mike, you're not gonna take that risk, are you, Mike? Mike, you wanna go shirt for shirt? If I don't show up tonight, I'm gonna buy a shirt for some random person in the chat. If I do show up, Mike, you gotta buy a shirt. Are you willing to take that chance? Because you calling me out on my official day, and I don't know how I feel about that, Mike. I'll let you think about it. Clap it up.
Get down.
Bang,
It
bang.
ain't no joke over here. You will not call my honor into question. Yeah, Mike. Come on, before the timer goes out, Mike. Let's call a spade a spade. Hey, Mike, if you calling me out, I just think it's fair. I just think it's appropriate for you to have justifiable reasons to do it. Hey, Mike, get yourself. Why don't you already have a shirt? It's okay, Mike. Just say you're not feeling too confident in your betting skills. Hey, yo, that's the wrap for tonight. But we'll be back on tonight, unless Mike thinks he has me dead to rights, which he probably doesn't. Just real quick, here's my YouTube link. The YouTube link, if you want to buy a shirt, the Discord, TikTok. I need 1,000 people to follow me on TikTok. I need some help, y'all. Give me some help on TikTok. I appreciate everybody coming through. We'll be back tonight. We'll be back in literally 4 hours. Just a quick study session. We're on spring break, so nobody's trying to get surgery done, which is great. So I'll be focused in on that. Shout out to Robotech coming in first. Productive time is second. I see Mike. Is that you at the top? Mike Coates sitting comfortably in first place with the perfect stranger. If you want to join these races and all these cool things, just hit the perfect lurker. There goes our raid message. I'm going to use the one without the subs because, not everybody subscribed, but if you are subscribed, feel free to use it. I'm the new. Thanks for being number 2. Second time in second place. Mini Scruff, third. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Time to go to the gym.